Good morning, everybody. Today we are here to present about ecology. My name is Fair.
My name is Sang.
My name is Nino.
My name is Noi.
My name is Bess.
Okay. We really hope you enjoy our presentation and receive lots of knowledge after watching it. Okay. Let's begin with biosphere. Okay. Team will provide you some information about this.
The biosphere. The biosphere is the outermost part of the planet's shell, including air, land, surface, rocks, and water, within which life occurs and which biotic processes in turn alter or transform. The ecosystem, or the biotic, living and abiotic, non-living factors that will interact with each other in some subsets of the biosphere. Abiotic factors: soil, water, temperature, elevation, and location on the earth or the earth.
Food chain. A food chain is a linear sequence of links in a food web, starting from species that are called producers in the web and ends at species that are called decomposer species in the web. Producer or autotroph are organisms that make their own food, such as plants, and they are always at the base of the chain.
Consumer. Consumers are the next links in the food chain. They are also classified into three main levels. And the first one, primary consumer, secondary consumer, and the last one, tertiary consumer. Primary consumer, animal that eat producer or plant, or we call herbivore. For example, worm, insect, squirrel, mice, or eat the plant. It's the worm. Secondary consumer, animal that eat primary consumer, or we call carnivore. For example, cat and bird. Yes.
So, tertiary consumer, the animal that eat secondary and primary consumer, the carnivores. For example, the tiger, lion, and crocodiles. The omnivores are considered to be either the primary, secondary, the consumer. So, the decomposer are at the last ring of the food chain. They are the small organisms that eat some domestic, like the rocket, the pork, the excrement, but they are very important to the ecosystem. For example, the bacteria, the moth, the fungi, the mushroom.
And this is the picture that we show the ecosystem. Yeah. Barry will tell you what.
Okay. This diagram is food chain. Okay. And look at it. This is grass.
Yes.
Is the producer. Absorb energy from sun. Then the next is it's grasshopper. It eats grass, then
So
Is it-
because for A, the first one,
yes,
the
so
first
it's called the primary consumer because it is producer. Okay, then it is eaten by the next consumer, which is secondary consumers, which are these mouse and snakes. And they are also eaten by the tertiary consumer. Okay, for example, birds, lion, tigers. Yeah. And when the tertiary consumer die, the composer will eat them. Will eat them and digest. Okay. Then it becomes a loop. So that's why it's called chain. That's why it's called chain. That's all.